ya mama kwan monko ye ne yie 1 year 2018 babesi ne March 2018 amone Ghana Water Company tenase sa water bill na mo de man nkrofo company sa mo amade atum sa mfonso no firi mu de a Ghana fo bre monko ye ne yie afinie adantino mo nyeye Mone Ghana for na asa agreement se mo be ma water bill de ya yusuo ne etua ana mo se mo system na asema ba ho ana aban se kokoye 2018 afinie mo nyeye kwame ana agreement bia ye sign a ye won ye friend termination clause ye den ewom ana ese mo de aho kire bre Ghana for de ana agreement ne ye den ye twam so anya no nko o enkrofo o mo wo software company ho mo ye adwuma no Mako nso resign. No mo resign ye no e no mo kokko brifu Ghana Water Company. Documentary evidence e de kwakire o mo say na sa software for no de ye Ghana for. Wo mo
say ni ne de ade a.
Kwane a base faso e kosoro.
O mo inflate bills no.
Sa wo mo ankrofo mo no mo ye adwuma.
Ayi o mo dia na so mo de o mo.
On the nipa nso a resign. And no more information nako. And a Ghana Water Company for as catch them agreement in your term. And the empesa mube yusu yen sister ni bi. Still I know agreement na your term no. Now crofo no go shoot the office ye programming. Trying some be Ghana for be agreement ni so nya adwuma. Nti je na say national security o ma adwuma no. Wamaduma na nim ne enti adoma ama babeka asa no former president Don Dama uni ne enti obeka say eni kwanse national security ko no no pese kan krofo na agusu di electricity bill anu odene
water bill anu
odene de maganafo na ganafo esu a wakasa na nado aban enti so owo opposition na owo no adwene akita ne say wono abehye krofo bi achi ema omo de ahokire abre ganafo no no de aye campaign message Sanya ne sadia eba ne sen na company na ankasa atwere na wamisa mu asem na company na atwere kwose ye machine na ye de ye adwuma na ho aka eno ka ho bie na be no bi wo ha na zero bi so wo ha ekosoro abosome ba ko bi tua 15,000 sansi se we nyina o former president Don Dramani mo dwene Ghana fo ho a na Ghana fo na o mu complain say ye be kosoro no na government of Ghana tu anamo a Ukwatai company na ono mombu Ghana fo na efaso na chi ye bisa no na kese electricity na Ghana fo ni tua na boden no wo opposition no eye ode uwie so asa Ghana fo na omo akwa ahokire ma obeka bia ma omo no company na ebu Ghana fo faso no sa company na wo no omo echi kosua tafre
says omo chikosu atena say
omo chikosu atena si bom edie because see am no kase wabeka bia ma company no say ni kwanse national security for esizi omo equipment sa niam omo season sa niam na no omo dibu Ghana for faso enti kan ye hwa anim so wabeka say abrantie na ankasa executive secretary krata otwere koma Ghana Water Company na no managing director na ye press conference wan fa nkire Ghana for mo ana mo twere krata bo se krata ni nie Muna motwe ba se ne amode bede Ghana fo aduru ba bia na nsuo bua ye dene eninie mo so obi dene nsa aka nti enam so ma metua water bill nte se metua na abanya tua na mo se obetu saade na se na ya tua realistic water bill ne ya yusuo ne ya tua eno no ye anje Don Dramani ma mo se me former president nti enti company no a ebu Ghana for faso no wo mo na meta o matie na mom enye Ghana for mo tua electricity a enche so mo tua ho na memedwene na o ye social democrat
na chance ki trimpa mo ni bowra na ene de
ene ne say ya terminate agreement no but Ghana Water Company for hu say still ano wo mo kita software bi a pese o mo penetrate wura wo mo system no mo
I don't get it. Beso asend ni bill akomanko.
Yes, they can kwana mo fa so manipulate ye. Enye se kwana mo fa so asend bill amankrofo. Now mom how to manipulate Ghana Water Company because omo IT based.
Abra ye twa contract ni.
Yes. And omo asa omo nkrofo na akoy IT asem ne ye kan yo. IT ho asem ewiemu esum asem ne ye.
Na mo say onyanti asem bi so.
And I'm say, woman Ghana Water Company for IT firm ni bi wo ho no meboa. And a national security for basa eniama no so a unso omu ye good wo mu no hun say the termination of agreement na ba no enkrofo no guso penetrate wura Ghana water company system no mo
company system
and the national security as because me no ni agreement to say me system Obama don't go there because akwanya ye de ma wo say wa wagye atum atwere say your system no ya compromise there ene afinie kwaye wo so nye ne kyese ne Ghana fo tua no ope me wa so enye the realistic bill na kyese me ye dey me tua na aban atu ho anamona asem o mo kan se wo mo statement o mo twere koye NDC for no ko TV so na o ma dane no wey official statement issued by the company o say 2016 documents nyina tato na no so hu say MD ni de kire na NDC for ko TV ni radio wa na o mo say 2018 2019 MD ni de letter ne kire nsantwafo amukọ ho nyina na NDC ni be ko so onya asem nkanti no ono abedane na akase 28 letter of this kire nsantwafo na no press conference na se ne say the agreement no mo sign ye no company ni kire say Ghana Water Company officials bi wo ho a wo mo demand wo mo 25% 2016 in the contract
time short trial for no
sa o mo na short trial for no na account no mo atwere letter say in 2016 na officials bi na am di ni say me de say 2016 no bi je usika abanfo fro na
officials o mo ni din
bodina na am di ni say ni pakura o demand 25% no officer ye criminality si bi wo ma ada no one report na na ba be kan ho asem ene de sa asem ne de nyame na asem kan ho asem 2016 asem na mom ne me kan ho asem wa twere say the system has been compromised no Ghana for tua bera ne board no na me kan ho asem me de ne say Ghana for ebenya nsuo me de ne say Ghana for nsuo no mu yusuo no won betua water bera ese na efata nti Ghana Water Company ye say ya John Daman Mama say yatiasim say no Water Company for Ghana for ba betua water bera ni buo wo fam because company na yesa no ene abanya yi afiri ho nti sa abanya yi afiri ho a Ghana for complain about water bera e wo soro biem nti me nya message
control ye na ma different company na
say ya twam ya mo termination yi nti Ghana Water Company yes or more procurement yi ni ma ho kwan so betuma ye den abiatum na ma hwe another IT firm bia e wa ahode na omo ne na ye den aye adwuma na ma hu se be no ne mimi yusuo no eno na me ye den mi tua because nya Water Company na ne free ni pem ka say be no complaints ye ba ye nyina na Water Company for frem say eduru ba bia ne ye ya program de amamu no ekokoduru nkrofo no ho a Ghana fo no mu tua ka no ho a the final consumer no ho a na ye dey asesa ana mo se ha ye nokore ebo se ma kan sa na tie ne ye system no obi di pane aye dey awuwom obi di dadoa abubom nti eno na be ma be na mi tua no ano aye dene enti se wa kase dia adentra ban tena se twantwe ha afi na ni hwese let ayi water bill enti se obitua na otua nti na nado danko akofo adro aban etu anamo sa mre ya se ne ekoso na nye national security fo ade bia ya security trade bia national security adwuma because ne ekoso na criminal e pro no
one or two technical challenge you see ye twan ho abana mfia beto nkomo no so mu ntwen na ye basisi ya
Sarah, one in Nakanaro, a yawa, one year, that's what and go back. Akuko back. And then you are Irikuya Payana. Gabby, Tiasuya Bosom.
The Indian burger.
Lina my Ghana girl. Now the day I have to you chop money. Now baby, we are not 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You know 2 minutes. 120 seconds.
I'm not paying crime. I know where did. Come and make us a Johnny with you. Tell you what happened. Come and come and get it.
Adam, where you go? Jamba photo, not Jamba photo, Jamba hollow. I don't want politics to matter. Tiasu, or believe in the rule of law. And also what can do spirit. Now Tiasu won't get away. Tiasu way. Or top pass what it's a grand in Nabem. Why is that table? Timothy Mukin Wisdom, your water. A movie. I don't do so good now. I believe in the rule of law. The law is even taller than Tiasu. Tiasu about. I believe in the rule of law. I have a candle spirit.
Hey, stop! I buy you everything. If your bodies I buy it for you. I buy you this way. And I do you so share. Why are you taking my life this way?
Until before this way, but
Hey! Why are you telling me this? And cut! That's sorry. People know me, Acrobato, aka who knows tomorrow. Look, my profession is actor. People are always giving me encouragement because of my performance. This way chocolate drink. That is my secret. You just need Ori hot water. You just put it. No, you just take it. Easy. Even it just sustain you hungry. If you take this way, never hungry. You can take it anytime, any day, anywhere, everywhere. Everybody enjoy it this way.
With this way chocolate drink, all you need is hot water. Mix and stir for a creamy look, and you're good to go.
I love this way because it tastes so good.
This way chocolate drink, near Wihian in Sushia.
FDA, ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
Chama fa dia na mbom ye den no. Me de wo fofo no, ne de o kire. Akwa we pa. Hwese wan wo. Sabu didi won, wo sori a wonya adwuma. Wa didi.
Hey, special eyes. Yeah, special eyes. Mawiana.
Seven, most because I can't vote team. And me want to for about 94.
Most, my son, I have some check. Mammy, I take me away and go so oh, quality. And then you
catch yourself special eyes. Now, who back to special eyes? And I'm to me own boss.
We are boss, our special eyes.
Boss or special eyes.
What you talk and perform. Because for no and then sounds and so talk. Pablo, Rose.
I'm ready. What?
But you know, watching Pablo,
be a messy and go back up.
Won't mean phone sugar to special eyes. Da special eyes. I book you so pen. Ha! Catch man. Special eyes.
Naturally special.
Although Mr. Bread or she and mammy, meaning for 2 hours, the proper years old, my rented. And you're happy for lunch. My son, full pine. Why you crying? Fufla banging. In fact, Fufla, Brazil. What's the real full of my not to kick mamma. But I said,
And we said that some about some more so now the video in the age when we are now I am beyond that say alaji national news abekan san national communication officer man nisi mzungu koko so alani sanazua
sanoka di
sabo boko die
alhamdulillah boko so enya boko
Ndiye na nyeboko.
Ya nenemu. Ane ya party for no kasa. And do I say me ahomachi na me be do nkrai.
Utu kwan.
Oh yes. No crack hona. My late kakra no.
So late in the old time, any quite I used to it.
But say we dey me chair for Nania ye di party for edin kita ho no and send ye be ya ye nyina no on the 17th of December. Ye could do about one na edu referendum no a.
Me to know
Ghana for a beti asemo aye ka no no mo to ase ho no. Esan say yentumi enye hwekan obi biara wo ne fie wateda say asori o say eye school okọ say eye kuo bi na owo mu a wateda say we die yemfa nya amanyusa wateda na nye say omo ka kire yen say amanyusa menye wo eno na ma yen president
man say de say sa na kono but say nyina kata ni say ni ho
na me ka meje wo ka sa kire me no a na me bisa wo say what then you've done a great disservice to Ghana.
Really?
Chire me assemblyman back one war office here and as all campaign is here or catch or say one no NDC assemblyman.
Because it is not acceptable.
It's not acceptable. So I didn't think that into then is hard.
But inwardly we know say it happens.
Into assumption. A assumption.
Ghanaians are being given the opportunity to go to choose say officially you'll be in 1 year and I mean that is
correct. And I'm here can actually Ghana for say the framers of the constitution womu womu edu local authority no local level authority no womu kabo mu ka say mayemfa nya amanyusa it's say ye ne sa no a hwe kwame me no woti ha ebi ankran unhunu assemblyman say all born homebody and all ye bibi sronku na wotukwa even within Accra ye minim obi anka ye tu no ofie dendende aka aba ono ne fie wura assemblyman and ekogina ye edi say dwuma no wohim senior polarization of our political party activities no ete wokodu bibi to say northern region tamari benches na yetena no MPP for bench and this utumi ubetwemu ho kra no na opentokwa na o se won mo ba ko di assemblyman na ono ebe solve problem amount enye ye nja ne se ne yeti a se obi biara to know a eno nkire se ye ntumi nto aba enye district chief executive utu know a ye betimi ato aba enye district chief executive
eni
say
you to know you 2 years so no it has nothing to do with
the district election no ebe elect
and now say you free
correct so when you America no party no a you say you be done in district level elections no into party activities apart from NDC and CPP and there are instances that even MPP and to me file 275 constituencies candidates because when to me according to negotiation no major constituencies in the NDC one a political party consistently we file 275 until Yeni Eagle for no ebe alliance. So in America and we ceded some of the seats no for them. But as we speak today, apart from these two parties, 275 constituencies, no other political party to be file 275. And then some say yemfanya amanyoku na amanyoku na embe sponsor oma. Over 3,000 to 4,000 your friends saying.
And then said the honors last for you to drum home your message to Ghanaians for them to understand the reason why yes MY until you have to sell the no story to Ghanaians simple.
And yeah go so yeah no. That is what I'm telling you. Say the new MY is as ahemfo. Na nano civil servants be brave no to say mrano esu mu kwan say one mo be party politics no. Sa local level no ema omukwan ema omutum kugina contribute to the socio-economic development of their localities na ukoye no party a na omu nyina no ye yi omu afiri mu esanse mra no ema omukwan se wo mo begina enye amanyusa
but they are still influential
why mu
nananom
and America no if they are still influential no adenti na ebe yi omu afiri mu ye local decision making
nti munton no ma Ghana volunteers here
no na ye to onena miguso wa meton enu inti na me je akwenya ka kire mo say wo ko 2 years na tese na nanu mayinfo ye fe say ye mpenyimpo asofo malam sakese obi wo ho a obetimi a contribute na mo wo na adwen say esan senia eya ye manyoku nsensem no wontimi nkodom amanyoku ebi adwuma bi a waye wo ho efiti tete oye police ni panyin waye bibisa nti okodon amanyoku bi pe ye nyina ye nim na ya start say oh say na wo ho ni nyina na oye NDC ni say na wo ho ni nyina na oye MPP ni so unya meka no ye nja no se ne tie no na Ghana fo ye nkotu no ewo referendum no wotu wa ba wie yi assemblyman ni bibia referendum no kwaseo na tu no esa say ye mpese
Kafra
sorry ye dey amanyo sem district level election
Kwame
I say ye man ngo hosa
so two parties in 2 years
yeah I say ye man ngo hosa na ebia na police panyini bi police say ontimi nko kok de ne ho kɔbɔ amanyokuo bi say pe ombeka se no wo police mu no nkura no ye MPP NDC mebo
anambu influential society when you police
me da say tobu o dem kuo tobu
ben
tobu Peter tobu ne wa wese okogina no
police ni no
o de amanyo onya NDC ni of original ko ye no kuo be na okodwan ye nya NDC ni oni Dry FM ye interview no o si 1992 and on the join NDC international no ka no onyom fanto ba
nze kwa muka na sa ye tie nyina obi on political party me
kwame
mo party support but my position and responsibility on TV and radio no I'm not able to speak out me don't party we
kwame me ba ho so be ka say
tie able to do that
bacha when
Majuma me and I'm supposed to be very objective
correct
ntini say me don amanyoku time they put the talk
so you've reinforced my no position
mama comment
no just me too
you've reinforced
and this for say adese sebe kwase anense na adwen nya sa anom kan
bible kraka
mo na eti krom ayeye amanyo semi a political party or opposition no be ka kire Ghana for say kwase anense na adwen na sa party ni be ka kire say for wadwen bra na omfa nye manifesto a onya tumi wi a o me ka kire say manifesto me dia mazumi lion container na kwase anense na adwen amanyoku owo opposition no ese fa wadwen bra na omfa nye manifesto nya sa na tie emmo hu dawuro nkire Ghana fo ne ntie ese NDC nya tumi election 2020 sa NDC kuro ya omo petumi omo se Ghana ni bra na fa the people's manifesto bra no wo masem ne se kwase anense sanadwen enti sa ukọ NDC wo kọ kire wadwen na omo ye manifesto no wie wo mpata mu wo kire ne opa wie na NDC nya tumi na 2020 wo be o meka nto se kwase anense sana
enti se omo ji wadwen kire adanko dadadwen
enti so omo se na omo ye for yes na o masesa o madwen a ne ye kire ne se the people's manifesto no adwen na omo so omo gidi aye omo manifesto no omo gi wie na omo nya tumi 2020 omo ka kire se kwase anense sana dwenti ne omo kan ye bia ye mfa nya adwuma ye de beboa the socialist party anti Ghana for NDC for be cancel there will be the manifesto bi betudwa ese wo na wa kire wadwen 2020 wo be ka kire se kwase anense sana dwen ne o de ba me mfa now why and can say Article 55(3) no.
Yeah, I'm interrupting, but I have an issue to clear on his logic. On his logic, yeah, may remind you. So may not do another.
Why the can say Article 55(3) no? You go amendia. Only political parties in one never contested. What we? Sanity. Ghana. There is no law. I just say you call elections here. If you don't belong to a party A or B, you can't contest or participate in that election. Maybe you have on can of here.
But obviously, you know, there are 2 major political parties out here.
Doesn't matter. And I'm say, man can say because of say yeah, kwa mendeno, obi ya influencer, a particular place here. because also only political party binti no contest about ontimi nwen ho na ka kire osa ebra yenya 1992 constitution no yakọ 92 yakọ elections we had an independent candidate in the person of Ayihawa Yakubu
the later Yakubu
o pa kire say the major two political parties no mo wo boko ayi honom no na omuni honom adenti no win ye yenya Joseph Osewusunum yenya Rashid Bawa in the Volta region 2012 elections yenya independent candidate na the two major political parties no mo wo find independent for win ye and the district assembly elections me region ya were 339 electoral area called aye kwa akotoaba and this year primaries ayomu candidate MPP aye primary madam Makasa they should vote for the MPP candidates and it is a campaign I've been embarking on it and also I am party ma saso na okwa ningo pramprama you see assembly man or contest here na ordinary MPP picture atare ne de na chi ewo Sam Dodge ho or the Sam Dodge
even before the amendment of Article 55 clause
correct or the Sam Dodge picture and ni poster ni nyina ye NDC afesuo indicating say we ye NDC ni or the nimra se bedwani no or independent woningo pram ho the person is representing the National Democratic Congress Party our parliament and a year kwa assembly elections must say non-partisan a ban saying na mrase bedwani no ni picture with NDC colors a tada na Sam Dodge intimi ma abonten meka say me disown nipa no as a whole member of parliament aden to ma abonten meka because of he say nipa ne the NDC dini kwa that electoral area hono obeyere oba winning or the me picture any NDC colors kwa oba winning. And the Constitutional Review Committee, 69% respondents or mukoye so ko here report na obia ko penkan Ghana Constitutional Review no sabe yankofa nkrofo amfiri ba bi ne bai mo na mo commission ye so mo nya sa adwuma no 69% say assembly elections yanko if nana
Assembly election
Article 55+3 should be amended.
To do what? To make what?
69% to do
young partisan. What you say? They are not to what they are not to please. What can say wrong? Please go and read the constitution. You don't have to over program cry. Please over program cry. We are late. Keep quiet. What they are not to
that is what the review committee established.
Yeah. Not political parties betima contest. Who move a program we late into to read is a problem for you. When you read the can what you say? Oh, massa. Me say who program we go me say read it. Go read it.
So if
what you say it's a fact.
Son of moye. Ya
please. Yes, then now time to respond to you. Oh, Kasa me dakura ne because now I'm making any relevant, no raising any relevant issues here, but me didn't.
But let's avoid personal.
Yes, and I'm saying. All Casano issues no reason they are so irrelevant. But let's
continue from that time.
What you say now? Ya mendi enu wieni sa assembly man for my mouth so many issues say. Bibi ansi kwame ajetia kwan. Say uti hey well electoral area wo Asante region. Ufri he kwa amanfo nim kwame ajetia. Ontimi contest here. Ye were electoral area bebre wo assembly man for contest here. Wo mo no de nipa no popularity ene ye de ko.
Ene se bebre ho.
Ye wo nananom. E wo honoma amanyokuo na yi omu nipa wie no. minim nananum bebre wo meme region they have contested and won as assembly because the influence in the koye enye the political party so munima oma contest ya wini enye party opa uwia tisikurom UTV ye de jamo munhwa bonten omo contest sa assembly elections yi wo mu posters bobo bonten colors be na munyinchira Ghana for
enye omo nyina de
and I'm saying colors about 89% posters ya mubehu no the political party posters na mbe mubehu colors say enye blue na ye green na say no mo de at green NDC blue say MPP ya we no on the issue of say article 243 ye amende wo mrase bedwame no ye mrase bedwade no ye wi a eno sambe be shemsa manfo no omwo district honom no ye de 2 minute kwa akomom sa 2 minute ye de ma manfo no MPP betim de ne candidate yaba nana owo kromo no manhine owo honom no ebetim asore say me o manhine so me so me di DC ye ntime kwa contest eno no ye nana no ni influence ade ayi honom no mrabia nse nana no kwan se wo ba be gina de a ede se wo ko MPP na NDC se nana ne kare ne ho na to officer ni mu oduru me pie awa abronye komi
so refi na kwani azako di DC
oh because enye say amanyosem esi ni kwan obetima kwa
contest usual example but practically cannot happen
and I'm say o se nana no ntimi participate because ye ba be ye no amanyosem ana me kire ne mu se eye NDC nkontompo sem omode ba ye ni mra bia kire se sa article 243 no 2 million ye de bretimamufuo no we ye nana you can contest he should challenge me on this platform say mra be na si nana ne kwan se o kwose o man hene because eye universal adult suffrage na ye kwakwa na meboa timamufuo nyina na ye dey epie abekire o madwen te se na ye kire mra hye bedwa ene presidential one no entity timamufuo nyina epie aba mra be na si me kwan se if I don't belong to party A obi mi ntimi contest on kan kire mo fi ha
correct so
on kan kire mi nti so ba betra ne so ka se e ba se be si nananom kwa ne so mo ntimi participate a eye so pathological o person pede falsehood and the tongue crofo so a the framers of the 1992 constitution no wo danani am a different interpretation anya sa na tie enti onko to specific year wo mo dia komrase bedwam na mrase bedwa ye ensesaye na san sesaye ye no spell it out say we nana you can contest and this NDC MPP
Kwame
it's neither here nor it's neither here or not there and who will know you can go for your no but that to say I'm saying say if we are going today near to referendum whether you like it or not
which is coming on December 7th
that 40% that 40% wants them ye court ni say pia bontena there's no way no ebe we ni abada
and you say no December na betche
Ghana for atiase within the electoral area ye sora no pa
nti
2 minutes ye de ba mama
in 1 minute what will be for me say me go 2 years what would I get out of that
o kwa 2 years ya the yes na o kwa akoto no e kire say wo ma kwan ama assembly elections na emra ne nya meda hokora no mama ningo prampram ode Sam Dodge picture ni NDC na ekọ no se de ba be ye say 2023 ye call the next elections ya wunua officer obetima kọ e wo political party bi din mu no amanyokuo ne timi de wokọ se kogina wa amanyokuo ne din mu saa so na e ba district assembly eno no so no nkire se e amanyokuo nkwa na ekọ akọ contest saa so na e ba DC yiyie so de a e kire se nipa ne nyina epie a eno so kwa akowura eno saa nseshaye na abani mu na temamfo nyina kwa sunlight se ye de ye kuro ha ye wei ye yi assembly man we ya ya wie na on party ana say on partisan ayi nipa we do ye independent ya beto ma independent candidate emra no ma ho kwan say wo contest ye no if you are not contesting on a political party wo betwere so independent candidate te say ne Jesevia boy no ye no Jesevia boy ye no sa so na this na assembly elections no
na nipa na ka sa men
on a political party
let's explaining something now
sa so na DC
because this is not even the main
subject who is Obama may ye be there okay Obama men no
he's making legitimate concern
no anya concern bia
and kind of topic no
because so na dey buy na who debate abu abo no Otiasie, Sasuna DC dear no, Kwame Ajetia,
Kwame said 1 minute, he will speak.
Until you can contest. No way so contest, that is all. Okwa, what per se drew us out qua. Nasa Kwame Ajetia, uno bet my winning DC chief executive one. And Manama on Kwanwa your poster. Said Okasa,
Kwan was a political party with no about to sign in panel.
Oh, yes. Sentina, you see a political. That is it. And a one person in. Any political Pagana aye to about one person obeko political party no poster oye ne say
so independent
nti Kwame Ajetia independent candidate new job in South municipal assembly Kwame Ajetia independent candidate Sunyani municipal assembly me mako in a new patriotic party for na de mekwa aye Kwame bafo
mini party so metimi ko
na ye independent no e so mo nya dede no
I'm say the first argument or raising here to the effect is wo koto aba no and I think it relates to the issue of logic say NDC4 ekase fa wadwembra na wo mo an ekase sebe kwase an ensesa na adwen nti wo de na your friends say o idea ba na o ye no
manifesto for
I think it is very flat in the face of logic.
It's an acronym.
They be flat illogical reasoning. You go school you try reasoning.
And tasum
they be try reasoning.
For the focus the couple enyinam.
Why? Because metimi kwase bia kwase sebe kwase na ensesa na adwen. Na emom samantimi ansesa wa adwen na enkyerese wo ya kwase. So when you
say man sama drum so wonyina so jam nsesa man.
Correct. Nti me metimi ansesa ma adwen. Na emom wo adwen na wo de ma me no metimi ansesa wo adwen no.
Manya response.
So when you make am tell. So it is totally flat in the face of logic. Kasa keke na ye dey say wo bia na wa ya.
Say good say wo beji obi
adwen. Was there
wo beji no.
Alaji
so misa so bisa me question. That obisa me question. Ma bisa me simple question.
Alaji was there a point in time in the discourse of this topic NDC stood for yes and I came out with something that suggesting saying they
never
for yes.
Never. Individuals in the political party have expressed consent. Womu eka say well womu de no move say giving the information at that time no mukra. Individuals. The only time NDC as a political party ever out after party initial the highest decision making body after Congress a take a decision and that decision and no there has not been any instance opinion by catch me say NDC
as a political people were advocating
individual the general secretary also individual the general secretary ni individual representing the party at the CDD the national youth organizer representing now we interject now
say just align
that be now interject now say
and your friendly fire
or your friendly fire and Nsroma my friend na misa no question
say me for malaji wiaza malaji wiaza alaji toso.
Secondly always say amanfo obi ewo pram obi aye say na we raise nkrofobia wo mo agina independent ne ne ekeka ho the history historical antecedent ever in political party activities actually say there is not a single member of parliament what to me about parliament as independent. First of all when you do parliament I was so joining Amanyoku bi.
But independence na dem parliament too. O issue the late how
about independent and also about Amanyoku.
One say nobody and political
correct.
The
and there's not a single historical antecedent that shows say obi timi gina independent. I call back a winning election 2 times. Back then a winning election how many times? 6 on a political party ticket. Or so Usu how many times on a political party ticket? Many of them. Not a single independent candidate.
Just run them on
maybe on me historically. Yenya PNC candidate ewo Azon ewo Upper East region or we need the independent so on the American or sign koya na or contest independent olusu now no political not a single individual.
Some people have contested and won as an independent candidate.
Besides that, Rashid Bawa ne Ejina in the ticket of MPP. No. Obo say Ejina in the ticket of MPP. One more what boom mudini ni.
But a historical fact.
Why? Because a manyoku and a woman a cheater pool voting your best that particular sector. And when they catch us say yenja is hard ye no ye. Ye jaya e beboy ye yatida. Wo wejumo mo awoti. Munko ye meeting bia ye obi abeka say massa asema ye kan. My enfan ya man yourself. Why? Because there's something fundamentally wrong in the way I man you say mono. Emma emwa wo timamu fo esefata say e say eboa wo. Wo into pesa wo sisa senior etumi no beba nkofo no a say wo mu otumi no ye grassroots na wo for mo. Na enye wo mu na wo ko dane on political parties wo e wo soro ho na wo betimi I then I take a decision. So catch them say parliamentary candidate and I say assemblyman ewo ningo pram all this Sam George picture I can't one Sam George MP so catch him so your parliamentary candidate ewo me say parliamentary candidate assemblyman ewo ningo pram all the chenye green black red and white I na sign so there on tell me me ko prosecute ni parade in the
sorry Sam George picture Sam George represents NDC in Parliament.
Yes.
And on Ngo Pram.
Yes. Sam George represents the good people of the Ngo Pram, not NDC.
On the ticket of the NDC.
On the ticket of the NDC, correct. On the ticket of the NDC.
So it makes him an NDC representative in Parliament.
Logical reason.
And I support somebody contesting at the electoral area.
And that Sam George, I can't obey the Sam George picture. Maybe Sam George supporting. Sam George
okay, into a supporting
Sam George didn't enter Parliament as an independent candidate.
On the ticket of the NDC.
Ticket of the NDC.
He's promoting.
He can't get some and Amanyo NDC and then Sini and then Sini Ghana Mashibim.
Correct.
But what I'm saying, Sam George as an individual and it doesn't come in.
Why doesn't it come?
Yes.
Let's say he didn't go on an evaluation as an independent candidate.
And who told you said the person, you know, or there's Sam George picture, even if it is true. Because when to be about assembly, when to be about even if it is true, who shows Sam George and then the picture, graphic says Sam George ABBA NDC 49. What shows? What shows? Convince me.
Mami sa
in that Sam George. Sam George.
Program I Senate studio.
Yeah.
And this one.
Me.
And two baby and
this is one member.
And you know what can be NDC for some.
Certainly. What be some they are instances. More be some. No, because I don't have my personal opinion. There are instances on this program.
Let's say you're not being fair to the NDC.
Why? Because
Uba said you can be and to you have a particular NDC tells you.
Yeah.
You don't have your personal opinion.
I don't have my personal opinion. Makan on this program severally.
You are here to speak for NDC.
Makan on this program. Go back, take your tapes. I have some questions. I say that what besides me personal opinion. I say I don't have a personal opinion. I represent the political party. Until I told the Bina Baha Namokacha say my empire man you say no bisa usa mamba enkura Bible. Me cry in party constitution. You be cry party mamba ha say aha me baha no me be ye me be preachy and I said me be kanya me say me ba hasa me be ka NDC asem
because NDC is small.
correct but you see but let's deal with the issue
for me to use him as a typical example doesn't mean say me who picture me who poster bia
correct
cannot be justified
correct besides that as so dear ye dey cast away NDC as so dear no a chenia eagle that's NDC as so dear uncle fast candidate no I'm throwing a challenge to him. He should even mention the constituency for me. I will make sure say me the assembly.
I'll get you the picture here.
Am I akwe sadia no? Nti mama fan draw. But mo kasa ntro na mo twa san na mo mixing nyoma na mo de magana for. So clearly it is obvious. Say yenyina ya dia tum.
And then I mean come message is 3 Mpacho. Away from Farouk Chairman. CDD report is welcome of course no one promised us easy life because delivery Ghana from the huge economic mess of ex-President Mahama is not an easy task to complete so fast. President Akufo-Addo has done magic and is focused on making sure the economic gains is sustained and improved upon. Pualugu Dam, another MPP legacy in the making. Farouk Chairman. On the Aka number 2. Because I need to be fair to my audience. Once in fact, Chairman Abronya has said it all, and he has been able to school the NDC man. We're sure. Ghanaians are voting yes, coming December 17th by Justice Ohene Kran from Chira. Or they buy I don't know. From Mystic inside in Sawam. On by the hypocrisy and intolerance of MPP is like poster and a war. It is preposterous and gibberish.
What literature university?
Ms. Majodi, also gibberish for MPP to expect all Ghanaians to think the same way as they are thinking. As Ghanaians, we have to look at things from nationalistic point of view, though. However, our political ideologies are not the same, so MPP should learn to accommodate divergent views. Vote no to polarization, division, and monetization come 17 December 2019. My regards to Honorable Salom Fumi, the incoming MP for Nsroma Adekye. Okay. I'll say our NDC brothers who are spearheading the no vote are behaving as if we live in a fantasy world where most of us are alien to the complex business of the political games that is characterized with the district assembly elections. AK, General Mosquito was on record to have assessed the performance of the NDC on the same tangent. So why the twisted tongue? My regards to Dr. Prince Amakabi C from 2nd D, Takrady in the Western region. I'll do the last one. We have less than 8 minutes to go. I say good morning, AK. Why is it that always when you invite Abronya, you allow him to spew lies over issues? Abronya is part of your working. Is he part of your working staff? No, he doesn't work with the Despa Group. We're a panel member. He always comes to and then tell us what is not true. Sule Bawa, Mamubi, on the other by opinions are like no sense. And Sule, that's what you think. In reaction to message,
Kwame, you my topics. I would wish that at least we can treat one of the topics.
Seconds.
Then we move on.
Just allow it is
the back and forth about this thing is very clear.
I introduce you to
allow it to go. Anonymous circumstances, I wouldn't allow it.
Very good.
But in terms of international issue, international issue that needed to be dealt with.
By convention, we have a preliminary comment before the main topic. By convention.
Enye bibia na NDC individual bi kokoye na de a enye NDC asem.
Of course.
Correct. Ayese was na sisu bi.
And independent should be any party go stand.
Correct.
O say individual bi ko take ni decision a enye party ni decision. No was na sisu bi o say correct. But Rasmon Barak or NDC and or individual. Kumbugu mrashe so individual. Or taking the decision say as an individual person and also pay yes.
What's the sanaduna?
And I'm not trying to come and say once a sanaduna, move free parliament, mama could buy election.
Chameleta.
Any central letter.
Minority leaders of the permanent free war. And I see a Dunkati are training to appear before the disciplinary committee. Why not them recover patch?
And I may say,
They have written to him, said, one man, I said, look at him, saying here,
it's serious business.
It's not about hearsay. There has been a publication to that effect. Mubarak has been summoned to appear the party head or quarters to answer as to why I say, and you can't say you free a man no come because we betray party. No. There has been a publication to that effect, and the general secretary of the party has not issued a disclaimer to that effect. If there is anything contrary to what has been published, if there is anything contrary to what has been published, oh, you can just download on your phone. You can download it. Just download it. Just download it. Please keep quiet. Just download it. You can just download it. Just download it. Just simple. Sermons to appear NDC. Just do it. Right now, Sama.
Auditor General and
just do it.
Feud and matters.
Let's
do with that. Auditor General and stuff for some.
Well, yeah, very obvious. Say, I will say, Adrian, Eba. And Magana who say issues are NDC, raising, especially press conference, General Secretary, General Sedun Kitia.
I mean, can we answer now? We have problem with time. I cut 6 minutes. I'm giving you 3 minutes and then give the next 3 minutes to come and then we close.
No problem. Okay. But if that 3 minutes will be equally shared. Now, but the point, you know, as I was saying,
equally shared.
The fact is, the issues are NDC for you raising. I was saying Ghana for you now. Say it is not about the fact that dom level, Yoko friend, and I say Yoko and friend on any account. The issues are you raising and say, you did kind, you womra. And a Sambrano, Amadom Levo Quine, say, what to me pursue a particular agenda, send a Bay Ghana Yan Frisika as the Auditor General. Dom Levo Juma Wayeno, HRPP say, and over 1 million Ghana cedis, and $1 million I could do was up for my phone chain. One man who bears 6 months, say, on one home wedding, and between say Sikano. Now, when you are, you better on a Japadi.
And you quickly boil a crown, and then it says, can be senior minister.
Yeah, very simple. Juma be at senior minister Casa, where you Ghana Sikana or the Aqua, and a Domlebo, Auditor General Casa, who Juma be our or
Juma Bensa.
What a Crow and Associates, say, one more bay, Juma be a far auditing in the Kekahum, be Ama Abaino, and Osafumafu. I say, one more Musicano. Now, we share a Jumano or the Ma Wamukrano, or Mamu Jumano on the 26th of September 2017. Say, one more yen starting Triamo on the February of 2017. So, when you make say, what to me, Emma Nipa, a Juma September. Now, I can say, yen starting Triano February. Mr. Mubusa, into February, in Juma Ben or yeah. Beyond even that, Auditor General.
Not just a senior minister to come and company on your Jumabia.
Only a Jumabia.
$1 million.
$1 million. I to say, and yes, only a Jumabia keke. Sanso a boomra, and Rana Wobun and a semino, I can say, Woko National Youth Authority, Penina no one, only hobium, wouldn't danger only hope. Yes, say, Wakoma Jumabia, and Mraquine Sono, also only approval from the Public Procurement Authority, and so with me, yes, idea. Inti want to me and no odi eduma no koye no ene ya pamu na efio ade nti na osafo ma voda so te ho se o mampanyi na na do dan kwakofo ado eye se ofua eboa ne nku opo te se enuanom ene adofo no a waka bomu a ene Ghana fo nyina efra no clearing agent there was several instances under the former president John Dramani Mahama John Dramani Mahama atu anamon as we speak today obi to say your friends Abuga Pele ewo prison no John Dramani Mahama and initiative ye ye the court finding no and the wo prison atinti na do danko akufo ado nko ane ba umia aban no obi ewie sika na ya bon ho ban atinti na ne $1 million Ghana dollars betimi aboa anye hwe kura no ne yete hei wo mo dua mu mu no ye wo se wo mo ton no 3 bags at the price of 2 or more signs to ato a confirm account as a nipa na to nyoma no na buy no the 1 million no school feeding na what talk and money nyina
no ntina ban be so fa ko family papa no free no free no
domlevo here ye be yi na free no abai we wa ye bi da ma ye hu ye wo nkofo bi a wo modjuma no embra ebo wo ho ban ba ko auditor general no ba ko electoral commission ba ko Bank of Ghana any woman makeka ho Bank of Ghana panyin no owo hone ni deputies omo hone Electoral Commission panyin no owo hone ni deputies omo hone enti aban we wetu sa na mo ni bi da ma yehu na ode kokwasa wa kire to bi wo se me na me wo to bi ade a me dem to me ben no e no na me ye enti se ne owo kosafo maafo so na se na nado wa ye na adwen se emnimguase ense akaniba enti wo ye dan ya sa sika no yam beje esanse ebia wo mu kura ni wo mu nyina nim se na echeche sika no na auditor general domlevo agira ni nan so se sa sika no chinchine obeje na afi the master te epese mo hante no na dan biom na ebeka we have president don't we have president
very much Kwame
Medas, near can setting the record straight. Now no press conference NDC here, Omu rezi
press conference on what?
On Auditor General report. Number 1, Omu say Auditor General umpeso omu yina di because na dom penasem 2. Kono umpeso omu yina di per the press statement and say na ya safu mafu. Onu ane ho aba asem no. Osan ye board member ewo Iyoko ho. Nti omu na akwa team up umpeso omu yi domlevo die. Meno kasa CCA, we 23rd February 2018. 9-member Iyoko board inaugurated. They are Justice Brobe, chairman of the board. ACP retired KK Amwa. Acting executive Iyoko, Francis Kofi Tokono. Acting executive secretary, Narcotic Control Board. Henry Aqua, deputy commissioner, internal audit. Mr. Dick Ayendi, private legal practitioner. And Dr. George Akofo Dampare, Mamiti wa Ado, Mark Kwajo Opoku, Director of National Security, Miss Yvonne Atakra Obuavisa, Director of Public Prosecution, Pacho Osafuma Fudinoe. Enkahu, Nti, Ehono, Womaditro.
Then people on the bound now,
where But date in no free phone.
Ghana News Agency.
Omo appointed board of your first.
Yoko board inaugurated.
Omo appointed Yoko board.
Inauguration of Yoko board.
Omo inaugurated board.
Omo appointed Yoko board now or the newspaper amount. Now also.
Omo say na ya safu mafo.
Mo de na mo kan mo documentary evidence bi o.
Say ya safu mafo your board member. Omo wo omo famra. Enti kwa me kwa mani.
Documentary evidence said that 1 million.
Say ya ma hanye. Please. Yes, Pacho Nasiru. Yeah, but na man no wadwin so woni atiten ahwefo. But no. Please, o ka kire so bia ni ta. O ka kire so wonye fe e ba tam share na.
Within the NDC abai no oyeden.
Let
me proceed.
Senior minister.
Let me proceed. Kwame.
That is what it is.
That is what it is.
One say say ya won yefe nti say one na yefe and this year titiri no one na yefe
that's replace
you ask me question
now be say na me ni question
thank you very much.
Let me proceed and just say ho no press statement no mo de ma mo central for say safuma for sign a board member Iyoko ho no abeda enye nokore.
It's not true.
Number 2.
It's not true.
Number 2. 9-member Dean Namabobon. Or Babi a Tress or we no great Safuma for Dini Chema on Famran Sana Yapon. Number 2. Almost say Nana,
please.
Almost say Nana Dankwa Kofuado Pesa Auditor General or Pamno because on Penasem.
The point is that you 1 million.
What very graphic?
Or but you come to 1 million. I'll ask you.
That is
you don't direct me what to say.
What's say on Penasem 1 million?
Oh, 5 minutes. Are you the one to direct? Or say Nana Dankwa Kofuado MP Auditor General say where Auditor General 18 June 2019. Please, this kind of issues maninye ho Nasiru one way ya me you so worse be mama me no yes one way ya I will use something worse don't control him I say on Penasem Tuesday 18th June I say Nana Dankwa Kofuado say NDC no they don't reason that is what I'm behave say
don't do
What you say? They don't reason.
I know they are catching. What you say?
And it's a big party, please.
So this kind of nonsense in the it's so nonsense. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. Because you know the Cranford Bragana for what the Cranford Bragana for you are here using another what the Cranford Mama Bragana Bragana for another so if I'm saying so let him keep quiet.
If we respect our for too much, we don't have to use certain words.
So let him keep quiet.
No.
And our officer,
there's a better way to say that.
Let me proceed. Let me proceed.
You have 30 seconds to do that, please.
Let me proceed. Please.
To have said, say,
and associate
dress rehearsals.
Sakro and associate Ghana for the entire NDC Pekro and associate for Samsa 1. Kro and associate for in a forensic audit. One year forensic audit no moon say NDC financier $106 million cocoa board sika kodino say do agongo. Kro and associate and the young Shushamu say Ghana cocoa board sika Ghana for sika $420 million akodi opunuwa e work court.
Into 1 million and yano cray.
Into $1 million, you know. Yeah, the $1 million $106 million pato e boni. Yeah, the $1 million chesi $420 million boni. Because they are the very people Auditor General report ended 31st December 2016. One capture sika $106 million akodi say do agongo. And tisasika na ekono NDC force because akwakodi NDC say do agongo ni ho $420 million akodi opuniwa oye NDC ninti no na nadu danko akofo adomo mumfa sika no enti so obi ayenhwehwemu korogin achi NDC fo mienu dia company na ya asafo kofa ba ya omo na nam so omachi NDC fo mienu omo wo court no sa company NDC fo yebata omo ana na ya asafo man for this is the PPA approval. Where date near 16th November 2017. Woman say anya I approve our procurement authority. And in here, Kwame, nya letter in here. Kinkai, the procurement authority. Afamra kwan so na omama sa contract and say ga NDC for your man sika. Contract and associate. Where your PPA approval.
PPA approval.
What you say?
On that interesting matter, I'm sorry, Kwame chairman, Bono Regima, and Falaj to Kasama, and never quite year, Mampo, and yet opening man on Kojo Safodi 86 years, names of Una, Yakoy Mampo Zungu, Nambo, and Shell, Yadamasi, Yadamasi.